guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I straighten my hair from what you are seeing to this. Okay, this is how you straighten hair, and all the products I use were really affordable. The products I'm using are my Tresemme conditioner and shampoo, Revlon blow dryer, Remington straightener, ORS humidity control serum, Isoplus 24-hour super stay, Tresemme mousse, apple cider vinegar, which is optional, my wig stand, which is so helpful if you love making wigs like I do. Every time you want to get bone straight hair, make sure it's washed. So what I wash my hair with is my Tresemme shampoo, and I don't use too much shampoo because I don't want my hair to dry out. After rinsing the shampoo out, I condition the hair with my Tresemme conditioner and apple cider vinegar. I love using apple cider vinegar because it makes the hair softer. I leave the hair to condition for about 20 minutes. Then I rinse it out after the 20 minutes. Now it's time to blow dry the hair. I apply the mousse to my hair from my roots to the ends, and then finally I brush it thoroughly. I love using this product on my hair because it tames all the flyaways and also makes the hair really shiny, which you guys will see after. So this is the Revlon blow dryer I'm using. I picked it up from Walmart. It was very affordable. So I don't do anything special in blow drying this hair. I was shocked at how quick this hair dried because most of the time I really do not have time to blow dry it, honestly. So it dried in about 30 minutes and I was just really happy with the end results. As you guys can see, it's looking really shiny and somewhat straight, which makes the straightening procedure really easy. In straightening the hair, I apply very little of the ORS hair serum to my hair, making sure to target the ends. I love this serum because it doesn't weigh down the hair and it leaves the hair looking lush. From my baby, oh, I miss your pressure. I brush the hair and I part it into two. I always make sure to work in smaller sections. What I do is I take a smaller section of the hair, brush it, comb it with my rat tail comb, and I spray the Isoplus 24-hour spray on the section, comb it again, and I go in with my Remington straightener and straighten the hair. I use the trace method and I go really slowly. Let's try this again. So I take a smaller section, I brush the section, or I comb it with my rat tail comb. I go in with my 24-hour super spray, and this is from Isoplus. I comb it again. Finally, I straighten the hair, and as I said, I use the trace method. I purchased the Remington straightener from Walmart. Let me tell you guys something. This straightener has got to be the best. It straightens the hair. This is my second time of purchasing a straightener, and I was so happy and excited I purchased the Remington straightener. This is affordable and it does the work amazing.
Hey, video.
Yeah. I told you something this salad and bread. Yeah. Salad and bread. Please, I beg you. No.
This is how I straighten my hair, and I'm fast forwarding through the processes because I've told you guys how I straighten the hair. I of course did half of the hair or half of the section on camera, but I went ahead to finish the rest off camera. So yeah, for now, just enjoy the music.
Love you, girl, I want to love you. This
this is how the hair finally came out, and I'm so sorry guys for the different lighting. It was just so much going on. This spray is also really good. I finally went in with that to tame all the flyaways, and this is how the hair came out. It was flowing and bouncy, no stiff weave here sis. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Like, share and subscribe for more videos like this, and have a blessed day.